Okay, welcome back. So what we're going to do is install TeamViewer, and then later we have to install Skype. We're going to use TeamViewer to share the screen. So if you want to explain something to your instructor and you just want to show them what your screen looks like even though you're on the other side of the internet somewhere, TeamViewer can do that. It's completely free and super small, no spyware. It's a really great app. And of course, Skype is the free instant messaging app, but we're going to use it to use for voice, of course, over the internet instead of having to use your cell phone or something. So first thing we want to do is go to the TeamViewer website. There's a link there on the Moodle site. And what we want to do is click Start Full Version. It's free. Just click Run. Click Run again. Normally do install. If you're on a lab computer somewhere and you have permissions to install, you can also just do Run. We're using this not to make money. Non-profit. I accept all of these terms. Don't start with Windows. It's not necessary. I always pick Confirm All. There's no reason you need to give somebody full rights to your machine, even if you give them their password or your password. I always do Confirm All. And that's all there is to installing it. It actually runs TeamViewer in the background, so we just need to minimize or close this window, and you can see this is basically TeamViewer, and it's ready to connect to somebody. So there's two things you can do. You can either have somebody connect to your computer first, which you give them, so you would give the instructor this number and then this password. You'd tell them over Skype. However, sometimes the instructor will have you connect to their computer, so then they'll give you two sets of numbers, the ID to click in. And it really doesn't make a huge difference in that you can always swap roles back and forth. If you need to show the instructor screen, you can click one button. If you need to go back to your screen, click another. It's really cool. If you ever had somebody do tech support on your computer over the internet without them having to be there, this is one way of doing it. So there's a little demo. If we close it without doing anything, yeah, it will pop this up. And so what's nice is just to kind of see how it works, just click Yes to establish connection. So it tells you to type in a 5-digit number. We're going to do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to click Connect to Partner. And then this is the password. So this is what would happen if you're connected to the instructor's machine. Into the password 1066, we're going to log on. And so now I'm looking at another person's computer. This is just the test server over the internet. The important thing is that you have a set of buttons up here. Now, if something goes wrong and you're not comfortable with the sharing the screen, you can click Close Connection, or when you're done. If you don't want to look at the other person's screen, but you want them to look at your screen, you do Switch Sides with Partner, and you're probably going to do that a couple times because the instructor is going to show you something on Aleks, and they're going to show you something on your screen. All right. So we're going to close here and then close the application.